Maria Zukogi. Maria Sanda Zukogi is a Nigerian judge who was the fifth Chief Judge of Niger State and the second female to hold the office since its creation in 1976. Her appointment as substantive Chief Judge of Niger State by Governor Abubakar Sani Bello was confirmed by the Niger State House of Assembly in August 2016 after holding the office in acting capacity for 3 months. She succeeded the first female Chief Judge of the state, Honorable Justice Fati Lami Abubakar, after her retirement from service. Education. Zukogi, a Christian Gbagi tribe, was born in Peko, Pekoro local government now in Niger State. She started her early education at St. Louis Primary School, Minna, and later transferred to St. James Primary School, Ilorin, where she completed her primary education in 1966. Her secondary education was at Queen of Apostle College, now Queen Amina College, Kaduna, and in 1973 she proceeded to Ahmadu Bello University, graduating with LLB degree in 1977. She attended Nigerian Law School, Lagos, for her BL. Zukogi started her legal practice as an associate magistrate with the Niger State Judiciary in 1979. In 2019, Zukogi was conferred honorary degree of Doctor of Law LLD by Ibrahim Badamasi Babajinda University, Lapai, Niger State. References